Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get my latest videos updates. Today I talk about 6 essential oils that can help to improve the mood and behavior of dementia patients. There is currently no known cure for dementia. There are certain steps a person can take to ease the symptoms associated with the conditions. For instance, essential oils have been a useful resource for many generations to help dementia patients and their caretakers. Essential oils, which are highly concentrated oils taken from a plant, can trigger parts of the brain to do certain things, thereby impacting mood or influencing behavior. Essential oils are most frequently diffused into the air, but they can also be rubbed onto the skin in certain situations. 6 most beneficial and most commonly used essential oils with regard to dementia. Number 1. Bergamot Essential Oil. Forgetfulness is one of the most frustrating symptoms for someone with dementia. Bergamot is a go-to essential oil for dementia patients. It is known to help with memory as well as lessening agitation, anxiety, depression, and stress. This essential oil can also help relieve insomnia. Number 2. Ginger Essential Oil. Ginger is proving to be a useful agent in fighting the effects of dementia. Useful for digestion and to help with loss of appetite or other digestive issues. Ginger is good for many abdominal issues. Number 3. Lavender Essential Oil. One of the most carefully studied and most frequently used essential oil available today. Lavender is effective at lessening many symptoms. Lavender is known to fight anxiety, depression, and insomnia. Many individuals and families diffuse lavender at night in the room of the person battling insomnia and find it to be a soothing agent that helps the brain and body know it is time to rest. Number 4. Lemon Balm. Another respected and carefully researched oil with regard to dementia, lemon balm is believed to help dementia patients relax. It is also believed to be effective at helping slow the onset or progression of dementia. In addition, it helps provide relief from insomnia and anxiety. Number 5. Peppermint Essential Oil. This oil is known as an energizer. It is used to calm nerves and stimulate the mind. Peppermint is often found to be most helpful when used first thing in the morning. Number 6. Rosemary Essential Oil. This oil is known to stimulate the brain and body, and research would seem to suggest that being exposed to rosemary actually improves brain function as well as mood. Additionally, rosemary is known to be a strong antimicrobial agent. Increasing research points to the connection between dementia and inflammation. And rosemary is a helpful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory aid. It's important to remember that essential oils aren't monitored by the Food and Drug Administration for purity, quality, or safety. If purchasing essential oils, be sure to buy from a reputed company. You can visit our Amazon store to buy reputed company essential oils, link in the description box.